Now a question.
Can astronauts survive in space if we clone the genes of cockroach in them which make them resistant to radiations and place them in the astronauts?
So we're planning to clone the genes of cockroach which prevents it from harmful radiations and place them in humans using the technology recombinant DNA technology, so that humans will also be able to resist the radiations.
So according to this experiment, we will first isolate and then clone the genes of cockroach that protects it from radiations and then place them in the rats. Firstly, we will isolate the DNA of the cockroach that contains the genes that protects it from the radiations. We will fragment the DNA using the restriction enzyme that will produce staggered cuts in specific sequences with cohesive ends. The ends of fragments are capable of hybridizing with the DNA that has been fragmented with same restriction enzyme. Then we will place these fragments in plasmids that have single restriction site. Then we will cleave it using restriction enzyme, creating same cohesive ends. The fragments will now line up with the ends of the plasmid, which can be joined with the help of DNA ligase and will form recombinant DNA molecule. Then we will place this recombinant DNA molecule in the bacterial host cell, and then it can be isolated and used and placed in new organism whenever it is required.
In this experiment, we use the genes of cockroach that prevent it from harmful radiations, and the organism that we are planning to place the genes is the rat. And now the possible result. According to our experiment and the information we have collected, it seems to be that the experiment will go on successfully, and if it's proved to be successful, then it can be used in humans, especially astronauts, so that they are also protected from radiations in space.
Thanks for watching. Vote for us.